Hello, I'm Kate Lusk, and this is my robot for 305. It's a self-balancing robot. The way it works is you hold the stick end up for 3 seconds, and then once you've had it held up, it'll ask the user for how long you want to balance. So let's do 9 seconds. And then it balances. It's not perfect right now, but the way it works is I have an accelerometer as my sensor, and from that sensor input I get an error, and from that error I use my PID control to tell my NEMA 17 motor to move accordingly. So if it moves a little bit too much to the right, it tells the base of the robot to move right, and if it moves too much left, it'll move it left to try to keep it upright. Because of how limited PID is, it's not able to balance this robot perfectly. But using some of the other methods I learned in future classes, I should be able to get this to work. So this is just the nuts and bolts of how everything works. So I have my screen. It tells the user to hold the stick up to start. And then once they've held it up for a couple seconds, you enter how long you want it to go for. So I have an IR remote and an IR sensor. So let's have it run for 10 seconds. And so once they put it in for 10 seconds, it'll tell the screen how long to balance for. And then once time is up, the motor will be turned off and it'll be done. So I have an accelerometer to tell me my error being my angle. That is sent to my Arduino, which calculates my PID and how much to move the stepper, and it tells it how much to do. I have this digital stepper driver to run my motor. I have my power supply to run the driver and the motor, and I have my IR sensor to get my user input. But that's it.